Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? Children, I hope you all are fine. You know which festival is coming? Yes, Ganesh Chaturthi is coming. Wow! And you know on which date we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi? This year we are going to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi on 22nd August. Yes. Children, tell me what are the different names of Lord Ganesha? Different names of Lord Ganesha are, first name is Ganesha itself, second name is Ganpati Papa, third name is Vinayak, fourth name is Vignaharta, and there are many more. Children, before starting the activity, I want to play a game type of thing with you. I want you to imagine something. So, close your eyes and think about Lord Ganesha. Okay, so what you can see? The big head? Very good. The big head says we should always think big. And now what next? The large ears? Yes, the big ear says that we should listen more and speak less. Okay, next, what you can see next? His mouth? Okay, his small mouth says that we should think before speaking. We should speak less and always measure our words before speaking. And what does the big trunk says? The big trunk says to be perfect in whatever you do. And what does the small eye say? The small eye says focus more, concentrate more. Yes, so children, see, every part of Lord Ganesha says something good. So children, you know what we are going to do today? Today, ma'am is going to teach you how to make a Lord Ganesha with clay. So, are you all ready for the activity? Come, let's start with the activity. For this activity, we need different colors clay and some decorative material. Children, you can also make your Lord Ganesha just with colorful clay if you don't have decorative material. Now, let's start with the activity. What we are going to do now, I am taking the yellow clay and with this I am going to make its belly. Just take a big circle for belly like this and place it like this. Now, take some more clay for the head, but now this time make a small circle like this. Yes. Now what next we are going to do is, now we are going to make its legs. So for making legs, I am going to take green color clay. See children, how I have spreaded the clay. Now do it like this, and with this we are going to make its legs. See, our Ganesha's leg is ready. Now I am going to make its hands. So I am going to take some another color clay, and again I am going to spread this clay. Now we are going to make its hand. So let's place his hands here. See children, I have made his hands also. And now what next we are going to do? We are going to make his trunk. I have taken another yellow clay, and now I'm going to rub this. We are going to make its trunk now. So how we are going to do? I spread this clay, and now we are going to place it like this. It's the time to make his ears. I'm going to make his ears. Take some little bit of clay and now do it like this. I'm going to make its ears. Similarly, another side also I'm going to do. Take small circle, do it like this, and now let's place it here. These are my Ganesha's ears. Now I'm going to make its eyes by pasting black color bindi. See, his face is ready. Now it's the time to make his crown. So what you are going to do next? Take small clay, make a small circle like this and press it. Press it and keep it on his. Now again I'm going to make one more small circle with another color clay, and I'm going to press it like this, and once again I'm going to keep it here. Now what next? I'm going to make a small triangle. Okay, a cone shape I'm going to make. See, like this, and I'm going to paste it on the top like this. In this way I have made its crown. See children, our Lord Ganesha is ready. Now if you want to decorate it, you can also decorate it with some sequins, or you can make the Ganpati just with the help of clay itself. Now we are going to make a modak. You know children, Ganpati loves to eat laddu and modak. Wow! So there is a modak in his hand, and he is going to eat also. See children, how beautiful our Ganpati is looking. You can also make one with the colorful clay and decorative material of your choice also. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed making Ganpati. See you soon. Bye-bye.